Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can transfer money from Wise to Payoneer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So over here what you're going to be doing, you're simply going to be signing in, going to your account details and having noted down your account number and the routing number and all the details accordingly. And then you're gonna go to this Pioneer section. Again, you're gonna sign in right over here. Once you have signed in over here in your Pioneer account, you're gonna be going to your bank account and you're gonna add the bank account and add the Wise bank details that I just added. You're gonna be adding that right over there, and then you're gonna go to the transfer section. Then you're gonna go to the withdrawal section and go to bank transfer and check out your bank details there or not. And if the bank details are not added, go ahead add in the Wise bank account detail. Now go ahead again, go to withdrawal section, choose your bank account, add in the amount that you would like to transfer, tap on transfer, tap on withdrawal, and the amount will directly be withdrawn to the Wise account yourself. So as I mentioned, all you're going to do is take out the information of Wise, add in over here in the Pioneer's withdrawn bank account, and you will be able to withdraw money from Wise to Pioneer or Pioneer to Wise, likewise right over there. That is how you will be able to do so. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.